There is a general belief that wind turbine blades are not recyclable at the end of life. But the truth is that wind turbine blades are not economically recyclable at the end of life. There exist several methods through which these wind turbine blades can be recycled. One of them is through reuse of this blade as feedstock for a second generation of wind turbine blades. That is, the resizing of these materials to be used for other wind turbine blades. Another method is shredding it and using it in the co-processing of cement. It can be used first of all as a replacement of coal in the incineration, as well as a replacement of sand and clay for the production of cement. Thirdly, a third option of recycling would be that you need to manufacture these wind turbine blades from thermoplastic. The next method would be to produce these wind turbine blades from thermoplastics rather than thermosets. In the past, most wind turbine blades have been produced from thermoset plastics, and this makes it set in its ways. But if you are to use thermoplastic instead of thermoset for production of wind turbine blades, it's easier to recover the materials used for the production of this blade at the end of life. By 2050, according to research, by 2050, there will be about 43 million tons of wind turbine blade waste in the environment. And if you are to read the environment of this blade waste, these different approaches to recycling needs to be considered. The first one is already being utilized, which is the usage of these wind turbine blades as feedstock, but it's a quite expensive approach. The next method, which is the shredding of this wind turbine blade material, is also expensive and is not widely being practiced in different countries of the world. And the third method will be that you actually produce the wind turbine blades from the beginning from thermoplastic rather than from thermosets. These are some ways through which wind turbine blades can be made recyclable, as well as of course, the last option of using thermoplastic for the production of wind turbine blades is being tested to see how these wind turbine blades are going to perform when they are fully in operation. So that is still in the testing stage for the last option, but the first two options are currently being used. But there needs to be a concerted effort in order to find ways that are economical for the recycling of wind turbine blades.